Now I saw on Oga Obina's show, Oga Obina interviewing Maureen actress, and Maureen actress said that she cannot allow her baby daddy to see the kid. Like it's actually a flex. Ladies, wake up, it's not a flex. Denying your baby daddy the right to see her kid, it's not a flex. It's not, because it's not you that you are, it's not him that you're hurting the kid. As long as the baby daddy is not a harm to the kid or to you, it doesn't matter what circumstances you guys parted ways. It don't matter, man. It does not matter. As long as he wants to be there for the kid, let him. Unajua ni mabuda wangapi wanaruka watoi huku nje? Do you know how many men actually mtu anaruka mimba foot 17? Men out here don't even want to be in their children's lives. But wewe uko na baby daddy mwenye anatamani tu kukua kwa life ya mtoto wake, na unamsumbua, unamkeep off from kuona mtoi. It's not fair, number one. And number two, there is a deficiency you are giving that kid. You understand? It's not a flex. I repeat, denying your baby daddy access to the kid is not a flex. If it's a girl you are raising, these are the ladies, watoto wenye wakishakuwa wakubwa, wameshakuwa madam ready to be married, wanaanza kuwa na daddy issues. Anaanza kusumbua hapo chali yake, anataka chali yake ya play role ya kuwa mzae na kuwa chali at the same time. And trust me, that thing is completely overwhelming. It will come back to bite you. It will come back to bite you. Kijana na grow bila mzae, na mzae hako, ati mama yake amekataa mzae simuone. Kijana na grow anakuwa very weak as man when in future. Unaangalia kijana unaona sasa men used to be warriors, men used to go out hunting. Sasa hii ni type gani ya mwanaume? Some of you go as far as poisoning the kid. Una poison mtoi achukie mzae. Na unajua tu vizuri mliachana kwa sababu ulicheat. Una poison mtoi akisikia tu mzae, hata akiulizwa na jirani au akiulizwa na auntie yake story ya mzae, ana jam. Umepoison mtoi kweli kweli. So please know something. Denying your baby daddy access to see their kids is not a flex. It is not the baby daddies you're hurting. It is the kids' future you are interfering with. Word.